everyone of our here. So what we're gonna do is I got the walkout. We're gonna do that. First thing we're gonna do is get some olive, get some grapefruit oil. So usually you just take about a tablespoon. I usually only use about a tablespoon. And I just go like this. Then, well, usually two, that's right, I use 2 tablespoons. It's been a while since I got the walkout. So then what I do, I turn it on high, like that. Then what we're gonna do is cut the ginger up. Like this. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use a little piece of the brine. And then how I do it is I just grab it like this. And I'll show you what I do. Let's see, I'm looking for something that... I just use usually a spoon because you don't want to mess up your pan. I just do it like this. And then sometimes what I do, if I can't get it to go like that, I use a fork. I just go like this. And why that's going like that, what we're gonna do is get our meat out. And then we're gonna chop it and put it in the pan. And that's what I usually do is I get the pan really hot, and then I turn it down because I got to chop, and I like it because I don't want it splat. So we got that. Then what I do, I turn the pan down. Like a lot of times I turn it off because it's already hot, and I don't want it to get to the point where it splats and I get a grease burn. So I would always shut it down. It's not like you're in a restaurant, you know, and stuff, and I'm not a professional cook, and I don't do it, so. Okay, so then we're gonna come over here and cut our meat. Like this. And we're gonna put it back in the bowl. washing my hands here. Plus doing a couple of dishes. So, and we're just gonna mix them up like this. Like that. Put it in our pan. And then I'm just gonna switch it around. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of Worcestershire and a little bit of basil. Where is my baby? Right here. Celery leaves. I already know the calorie count in this. 340 and 140 is 480 is for everything. So one serving is 240 calories. And we're just going to leave them like this, I'll show you. So we'll put the lid on it and leave it simmer for a minute or two. I think this is one of the most yummy dishes that I've had in a long time. And I think that it's unique because I'm just sitting here doing some dishes, and I think it's unique because it's really healthy and it's easy to make. It's not like you have to have a lot of, a lot to, you don't need a lot of stuff to do, and it's just healthy. You can use the servings, the stuff for the, what am I trying to say? You can use the juices for this. You can put soy sauce on it, Worcestershire, or whatever you want. And I usually use soy sauce. I'll measure it out, but a lot of times I don't. I just use the drippings. Sometimes I make it into 2 meals, and sometimes I just make it into one. And it's unique because it's so easy to make. And that's what I like about it. It's very easy to make and it's healthy. And who would ever think, that, wow, something that easy to do. And that's what I like about it. And what I'm going to do is break here because we're still letting these go. And then I will be back with what it looks like, and I'll go from there. So I'll see you in a few. Bye.